This four-door SS is in great shape considering how many miles are on it. It has new front brake pads and rotors, new rear brake pads and rotors, the leather looks good, and the exterior paint still shines.